Oh, Minglawa. Today I will analyze the paper name, equivalent name, the large language model, CMS review or efficiency, application, and future direction. There is the full order, like I mentioned in the presentation. And first of all, I want to introduce myself briefly. My name is Shadao. I'm planning informative major in Unisha. So, so the paper is to paper objectives are to be comprehensive review or large language model. So for the following topic, they were comprehension and analysis or efficiency, detailed exploration and expert information contribution, and the future careers and facility solution or based on the question. So always the systematic lecture review. A systematic lecture review is a structured method for finding, isolating, evaluating, and analyzing result on the specific question. So they use the systematic literature review to analyze it and a language model based on 27 result papers from 2019 to 2025. This is the methodology of the systematic lecturer review. Firstly, they identify the result question. They want to know they want to know what are the language model. So they identify the question. They conduct the question and then they start time like they time the question into the topic and then they find the results and the papers. They follow the 27 result paper and they go to the sub according to their topics and question. They identify the selection criteria like what are the most and least important question. They follow the full question in the paper and then they identify the quality assignment rules to the full question, and then they apply the selection every time. They find the selection every time, and if they need more article about the question, they do the methodology and they find again the articles. And if not, they apply the data the data information uh, from the result, and then finally they standardize the data extracted. They combine the data information to answer the question from the started. So so to be understand the first of all to be understand large language model. What is the large language model? Large language model is a type of artificial feature intelligent system based using deep network networks trained on massive amount of text data like billion to 3 billion parameters. So AI they use the AI and performance of model. So large language model to redefine AI capabilities and offering the percentage advertisement in natural language processing and generation. For the performance model, they evaluate the efficiency and analysis understanding. Performance model is very crucial in the large language model. So they collected the full question to conduct the large language model. So for the number one question is what is the large language model application and use case the plan? They want to know the large language application and use case of large language model. For the number two question, they ask which specific type of large language model is applied. Is the considered model open source? They want to know the language model types and they are open source or closed source. They can get for free or not. And then they ask for the number two question. What prerequisite and result demand are utilized in deploying a large language model? and which hardware specification were used in the experiment, what were the model parameter applied in the experiment. So they want to know pre-worker state and result demand of the large language model, and the least and the last but not least, they want to know performance metric and SMS by asking them what are the methodology for assessing the performance metric of the large language model deploy. Okay, so for the number one word question, what is the large language model application and what is the most user cases of large language model? They found out the generation of data is the most user case, most user case and most user case. What is the general model? General model is to generate the video image from using all the large language model data. Yeah. For the number two question, they found the GPT-3 and Codex are the most efficient large language model applied in today's, and most the large language models are studied as open source. So they found that the community is very deployment and helps accessibility thrive. And for the number three question and number four, they found that Pan model had most accurate parameters and the best performance metrics according to their result on 27 result paper. So, to be conclusive, um, the other use the systematic lateral review using the 27 result paper published between 2019 and 2023. So they organize and ask the full question, full result question, concerning to large language application. What are they? What are they? What is the type of model and sources? And what are the parameter and model performance metrics? So they found all the data generation application as the most user case of a large language model, and GPT-3 and also GPT-3 and Cortex are the leading large language models, and Pan is the had high the most parameter scale and performance metrics. And for the challenges, they found that uh, bias between bias between the application, and they had them assuring data integrity. They have to prove that privacy of the data, and then they had to manage intensive accommodation and visual demand. In the future work, they estimate to investigate data efficiency indicator and to improve productively and exploring novel domain like blockchain technology. They can use in smart contract verification. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for listening the presentation. Terima kasih.